Hey, how's it going everyone? I'm Em. Welcome back to the TechBlock channel. Today we have the new Razer Kraken V3 HyperSense headset right here. Let's open this thing up, man, and actually unbox it. So this is with Razer HyperSense, a feature I absolutely loved on the Razer Nari Ultimate headset, which I actually still own and occasionally do use to this day. And it's an absolutely epic headset, mainly because of the Razer HyperSense feature and the fact that it's also wireless. Now, with this Razer Kraken V3 HyperSense, this is not a wireless headset, so it's not like entirely, apples to apples comparison, but Razer do have plans to release this exact same headset in the wireless version called the Razer Kraken V3 Pro, which I'll also be checking out and making a video about once that one becomes available. I'm legit so happy that they actually brought back this Razer HyperSense feature because it was hands down one of my favorite features from like any Razer headset ever. All right, so here are the headphones, guys. Let's see how these new Kraken V3s are. Oh mate, these feel amazing. These actually feel so good on my head. Like they're not like overly tight, they're legit like the perfect tightness. They go completely around my ears. The cushions are like incredibly soft. This is definitely gone above my expectations so far. Hell yeah, man, hell yeah. I look forward to using these like full time from now on. By the way, of course, yes, the headset does come with your usual Razer sticker pack, and of course you get your Razer V3 Kraken HyperSense booklet and this little letter from the Razer CEO. But the headset itself is of course USB Type A, and let's see how long of a cable it comes with. I would say, yeah, probably like a 1.8 meter cable or 2 meter cable that this one comes with. In terms of the materials used for these headphones, we have a mix of leather, fabric, bit of metal, and as well as plastic, of course. So for the top, we have a leather finish that actually says Razer, and then we have a leather finish for the sides of the ear cushions, not the actual inside bit, which is actually a fabric, and for the actual inner headrest part of the headset right here, it's also like a cloth fabric finish. But honestly, the fact that they've gone for the fabric on the inside of the ear cushions themselves, it honestly feels really good. Like every single time I put this headset on, it's spot on. It feels really, really nice on my head. And of course, there is headset adjustability, and these are also marked, so you know exactly like how far you've extended the headset on each side. All right, I've gone ahead and plugged the headphones in. This is how they're looking like, all right? The RGB is shining away. We have an actual ring around the entire Razer logo of the headset right here. And of course, the same is on the other side, but it looks good, man, it looks good. It's like a simple LED lighting setup. Of course, if you don't want any LED lights on your headset, you can of course turn them off, but the actual headset itself, like, I can't get over how nice it actually feels on my head. Like it's so snug, and I am also capturing audio from the microphone itself. So I'm going to be switching in between my actual normal Rode mic and the actual headset mic throughout this video. There is also, of course, a lot of other settings within the actual software. You can enable a bass boost, sound normalization, voice clarity. You have full EQ control. There is also the whole Razer THX spatial audio feature that you can enable. And of course, in the main tab, there's of course the Razer haptics sensitivity, which can be toggled through low, medium, or high within the actual software. And what you can do as well is, of course, there is a dedicated button over on the right ear cushion to toggle through these settings. Now the headset does actually make a noise when you press that button. I'm gonna see if my mic can pick that up. There you go. That's the noise it's making when you're pressing that button. Now, bro, just holding these headphones as you're playing music, you can feel the haptics doing its thing, man. Dude, let's try no haptics. Low. You feel it a little bit on low. You're on high, you really feel it on high. That's so cool, man. That is so cool. Like, it's such a big difference. Even on the low setting, when you have it on like really, really high audio, when you have the feature off, they just sound like normal headphones with like normal bass and everything. But the moment you turn it on, the moment you even set it on the low setting, bro, it's such a big difference. every single person that I have let try the Razer Nari Ultimate headset that has the HyperSense, every single person has absolutely loved it. And this is no exception. If anything, this maybe even sounds better. It sounds so good. Like, the haptics are completely automatic, so when the bass hits, that's when they kick in, and like, it's so well timed. Everything is just, dude, it's such a difference having that feature on. Oh my. Now, this wouldn't be a TechBlock video if we didn't hop into a quick Counter-Strike match to, of course, test the spatial audio, test the 7.1 performance, see if I can actually pinpoint where people are just using the headphones. Oh, okay. Yes, you do feel the AWP shot. Oh man. Bro, when anyone else shoots with the AWP, you can feel the bass. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. Oh, we did actually tag the guy. Oh, I still got it, guys. I think I still got it. Have they like changed the ragdolls? Nah, bro. Hey, the spatial audio ain't bad. I had no clue that guy was there until he shot. Yeah, I had no clue that guy. Hey, you know what? That's pretty accurate, man. Hey, mate. Dude, I knew exactly where that guy was by the sound of him reloading. Like, pinpoint accuracy, mate. I'm playing with the whole Razer THX spatial audio feature enabled. I don't know if that's actually making a difference, but bro, like, I knew exactly where that guy was. I like the new ragdolls in this game, man. They're funny. This is the same guy. Shooting mids. Oh! Oh! Good night.
Hey, I knew that guy was coming after me, bro. I heard him. 11 HP, bro. We still going, mate. We still going. How was that? I think we did all right. 65 to 27. By far the most kills. Damn, dude. Proper happy with that.
Bro, there's levels to this. There's levels to the bass. This is like nice and manageable. These are just different, man. Different level. What the? So I've just been doing some back-to-back testing between the new Kraken V3 HyperSense and the Razer Nari Ultimate. And oh my. There's a difference. There's a big difference. I don't know what's up with these Razer Nari Ultimates, by the way. Bro, these, I mean, there's probably a reason why these are so thick compared to these. Like, don't get me wrong, the Kraken V3s aren't like the smallest of headphones, but these Razer Nari Ultimates, like, I'm gonna put these on my head just so you guys can see, like, these are big headphones, right? There's no denying that. And these Kraken V3 HyperSense ones, not as big, all right? Not as gigantic looking as the Razer Nari Ultimates are, but size matters, all right? In this case, surely this Razer Nari Ultimate has to have bigger haptic drivers inside of here. The one way I guess I could describe like how powerful these are in terms of their haptics compared to these is that this, when set to 100, when set to max, like max volume, max haptics, these are just overpoweringly strong. Like, the haptics are absolutely insane. Like, my vision was literally shaking. Like, when as the bass is hitting, it's absolutely mental. These Kraken V3s, however, they deliver a different like sound profile that's not like over the top distorted haptics that make your vision shake. I'm guessing they're using different or smaller haptic drivers inside of these Kraken V3 HyperSense. I didn't think there would be such a big difference actually, because when I actually first had these on and just enjoyed the haptics, they felt very well tuned, like not over the top. It's like right where you'd want it. Even at the high setting, sure, for some like scenarios you probably wouldn't want it on the max setting, but if you want like a lot of bass, the high setting really does feel good and like you absolutely feel the haptics. If you've never tried HyperSense, this is a solid implementation of that feature. The haptics are still very good inside of this headset. It's just that they're not as absolutely insane as they are in the Nari Ultimate. That's how I would put it. Anyway guys, I'm gonna end today's video here. Thank you so much for watching. As always, there will be dozens of links in the video description down below to where you can buy this new Razer Kraken V3 HyperSense headset. And of course, the Razer Nari Ultimate will be linked in the video description down below. The Nari Ultimate, from what I have seen online, is a cheaper headset and it's wireless. And if you want absolutely ludicrous haptic feedback and Razer HyperSense, that is still a solid option. If you want something a little bit more balanced and a wired version, the Kraken V3 HyperSense is also a very nice headset. Feels fantastic on my head, very snug. I like the materials. So far, very much impressed, especially with the 7.1 surround sound with the THX spatial audio. Dude, I pinpointed where people were in CSGO. That was awesome, mate. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in another video soon. Goodbye.